Getting to the paint. Umaga able to get the bounce. Para dito sa PWU Patriots. Torres. Hit out. Open is Wico for 3. Laran straight away. Gets 8. Lance Volante finishes. Rhythm in their actual home kumbaga, tournament.
Especially in player development.
Mariano pulls up for 3 and knocks it down.
Good transition attack.
23-22, isa pa rin ang abante dito ng PWU Patriots. Agara naman binawi ang kalamangan ni through the middle. Another and one para sa ICC Blue Hawks against the PWU Patriots. Get it to Laban. Espiritu left all alone and knocks down his second of the ball game. 4 of 6 to begin this game, but already able to knock down his last 2 3-pointers. Wico though with the answer para sa ICC. Sit to Josh Volante, zipping it inside. Lopez bumping Antonio high off the glass for 2. Lead up to a dozen now. Under 6 to play. Espiritu another 3. His third conversion. Umaapoy na.
PWU going back to what worked from them in the first half, going zone.
Look at that reverse from Laban. Still PWU Patriots. Wico finds an opening. Answers para sa ICC Blue Hawks. On that 3-point attempt, Danganan daw able to keep it alive. Espiritu, nakahanap ng puwang. Gets fouled and gets the bucket. Still a 2-point ball game. PWU Patriots hanging on to this 2-point lead. Excellent fight. Torres connects with Lopez. Anteg almost getting stripped. They get it inside. Lopez with an and one.
That's the second time for Lopez.
ICC Blue Hawks down by 1. Volante, the midi. Danganan looking inside to Antonio. No whistle. Antonio! Balik ang kalamangan sa PWU Patriots.